It's April and the buddy heater is on. After a few days of sunshine, now it's
light out there.
oh my god, you can't even see. The windows are just like bright. Let's see. Ah. The camera was like, what? So it's melting a little bit, but it's also still snowing at the same time. So unexpected. It was forecasted low snow, but I didn't think that we were going to get all of this. It's a good, 4 inches or so. So everything's still covered. But we got stuff to do today because of course we do. So let's go see what we have to do today. All right, so this sourdough's been cold proofing for 18 hours and now it's time to cook it. So we're going to cook sourdough in the snow. I just love perfect powder when there's no footprints or paw prints or anything like that. But now we got to dust off the old barbecue because if you didn't know, we do all of our baking on the barbecue. So now we're going to start making some tracks and we are going to make some sourdough. Eli just loves the snow. Oh boy. Got to get this barbecue cleared off. You're not so into it today? Not that I'm going to be using these, but there's our Dutch oven. We got to get it warmed up before we can put the sourdough in there. So I guess we should probably take it out of the snow. All right, got it all cleared off. Got the Dutch oven in there. Just going to let that warm up for about 20 minutes or so, and then we'll put the sourdough in. There you go. See, it'll get nice and warm all the way around. Having it like that. Now I got to go clear off these stairs, and I think Eli decided to take off or went to the front door to get let in, but I got to clear these stairs off or that's just an accident waiting to happen. So we got our bread all ready to go, and then instead of ice cubes today we're going to use snow as our steam maker, so that's fun. All right, of course I didn't bring the tripod out here, so it's going to be difficult. It's not making as much steam as I would hope it would. Alright, so I decided to just do ice cubes because it's easier that way. Alright, while I'm doing bread, they're going to clean the panels.
Oh, man. Yeah. My favorite thing to do. Yeah.
While it's snowing too.
Yeah.
Seems counterproductive.
And the damn animals messed up my shack.
You could probably see the prints.
Yeah, looking.
What, those bumps on the thing?
Yeah, they ripped out the bottom of it.
Oh.
It's a little white outside. Oh, I see there.
Alright, don't step on it.
That's all the way. So, like a foot maybe. Starting to pick up a little bit. It's gonna be fun. I love the snow. All right, well, I turned up the temperature, which I think is better now. So it's just gotta adjust for what we got going on. Brandon's gonna go make some tracks for us.
We gotta leave later, so it's snowing again, so I want to make sure we get out.
Shelby and Eli are in there, but you can't see them. Your stick's coming in so handy.
It does everything to save my life.
It's a multi-use tool.
Yeah.
All right, the workhorse to work.
Yeah, she's a tractor truck. Oh, good, roll that. Close the door first.
Yeah. Live and learn, you know. Poor bush. That bush was covered with bees the other day, and now it's just covered in snow. Yesterday I posted on Instagram, and it's probably doubled. Can't even barely see it now. Bye! All right, let's go check on that sourdough. All right. Let's see, how are we doing? All right, so we gotta take her out. Well, our snowy days turned into a snowy work day. Multiple trees.
Yeah, multiple. There's like a lot.
That we've never seen before like this.
No, there's like 4 of them.
And I just slipped and fell on my butt, so
Yikes.
let's go clear some trees so we can get off the property. So Brandon and Shelby cleared a few small trees when they were down here clearing, making a path, and then
neighbor did one.
And then there's just multiple, like 5, 6.
We don't know. It's just a big mess.
Well, it's a good thing you did this because we did have plans tonight, so that would have just been the end.
Just wait for this. There's a little branch that's heck.
Oh yeah.
That's how Dorset used to live around here. Didn't get out.
Should have knocked.
See, there's one
Someone's
that's
been
here,
working.
And then I think he came up here and said, "Oh crap."
What we do? And the fun began.
Oh yeah.
There's one down here more.
Yeah, I see.
There's a big one here.
I see.
This one, that's all Byron knows to.
Right, so we're just worried about clearing the main
So
road.
we'll just throw it to the side.
Okay. All right, so you can see, here's the tree on the main road. And then down there, that's also the main road. There's another tree that's blocking the road. So we got to get to work. Brandon's got it all cut up. Now we just gotta keep moving it over here off the road and go from there. So it fell from up there. I don't know if I showed that or not. So thankfully that one we don't have to do anything with because on a private road.
There's a wood guy, so all you gotta do is be able to drive through.
Well, yep. We got it all cut up. Now Brandon's gonna pull it not too far, just to over there where those other sticks are, where we got the big cedar earlier this week or last week. Having fun?
Off-grid living. No, it's fun. Except for you're not feeling well, then you could be in trouble.
True. We're determined to get to our meeting tonight, our dinner.
Well, plus, you know, we got a lot of old people on the street. We can't have this walk. And I'm not the healthiest younger guy either.
Yeah.
Well, actually, I'm healthy. I just have trouble.
I mean, you look pretty damn healthy right now.
Yeah, technically, people don't believe it, but
Okay.
I get tested, man.
Oh. Gonna cut it in half?
Yeah. He's big. It's slippery, you know. That'll do it.
All right.
Probably took 500 pounds out.
There we go. Holy cow. Needs to be a commercial for the Yukon right here.
Yukon always working. We'll try to put it on this side.
On here, over here, where I am? Okay. Alright, it's taking a branch with it. That makes our job 1% easier. Oh. Well. Wow, he executed that perfectly. You're a pro! Alright, now we just got to get all of this brush cleared off the road. And then we got to get down to the other tree. Hopefully it'll just be a pull. We could pull it out and move it to the side with minimal, but we'll see. See if I can. Fun times. Alright, so we are going to take this side off too. I didn't realize that it was pretty thick, so. Alright, here's the other tree. So you can see where maybe you can see where that line is. That's where we cleared the tree just a minute ago, or the trees. And then this is the other one here. So you can see it split from those two, which are not over the road really, so that's good. But man. Alright, Struck Chainsaw calls for creative measures.
That's gonna work. That's what I want to do.
So what do you want me to do? Oh. Okay. We're keeping an eye on it, and it's either going to fall out or it's going to get worse. So that's positive. Stop, stop, stop.
Don't pull on it.
There we go. Huzzah! That'll do it. So Brandon just got back and I looked up the road and I'm like, did another tree fall? There's another tree in the road right there. So, yeah. All right, for my safety, I'm in the car. I don't know if that was a accurate statement. Holy shit.
Oh, I thought he was listening to the log.
The chain is stuck in there. We survived.
That was unexpected fun, but I'm all clean now and I'm out of here. I'm going to town.
Yeah, going to town for
So
exciting
unexpected
stuff.
video, unexpected mess.
It's
All right.
still got snow, though.
Yeah.
Let's see.
I'm out of here.
Lots of snow still.
Yukon's clean. Look at how clean it is.
Hecka clean.
So clean. Look at those 20s.
Yeah. All right, well, we'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.